Hey, welcome back to Feral Art. How you doing? Today I have a little experiment that I threatened the other day. I'm gonna try the Artist Loft Ready to Pour paints in a Dutch pour because I can't think of anything else to do with them. So today I have a 12 by 16 ultra smooth level 2 canvas from Artist Loft, and let's just get down here and get with it. Alrighty, there we go. I'm gonna back that up just a hair. There we go. Alright, so today I have titanium white, violet, phthalo blue, gold, and this lovely sap green. So I'm just going to use my titanium white as base coat, and we're going to see how it goes.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt and feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reaper's Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. And who we to know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on my mind. I miss the smoke on the Cumberland and the fireflies at midnight, and the color of the leaves in the fall.
Looks okay so far. Looks a little thick, really, which is kind of funny given that I was griping about it being too thin. I'm gonna see how this little sucker works. I don't know.
Who are we to know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow? The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on. Yeah, I've still got Tennessee on my mind.
here's our little fly over wet results. Pardon my lovely light. Turned out kind of cute. Nice white negative space. Green with a little gold. And then our big old blooming bud flowers. Flowers. Oh, what's it? I like it. It's cool. I'm glad it worked. Now I have something I can use those for. I think it did work pretty well. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'll show you when it's dry. So here are the dried results of my blowout with the ready to pour Artist Loft paints. These little hydrangeas are here to say hello. I do like the way it turned out. It dried pretty much true to the way it blew out. I love the gradation and color. I think they're really pretty. Not, you know, we're not talking about masterpiece level work here, but I think they're nice. The only problem that I have with this is there are these little air bubbles that just popped up out of nowhere as it was drying. But you know, it's fluid art. You're gonna have some of those, some little irregularities. I think it's pretty. I think it worked out well. I'm glad it worked out well because now I can use those paints. I think they're cute. They're just cute. So thanks for watching. I hope you like these. Give me other ideas of things I can do with these paints in my comment section. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.